Top 3 heart disease symptoms you should never ignore. Hey there, welcome back to our channel where we bring you the most important health tips to help you live your best life. Today, we're diving into something extremely important: heart health. Did you know that heart disease remains one of the leading causes of death worldwide? The scary part is that many people don't recognize the warning signs until it's too late. In today's video, we're going to discuss the top 3 heart disease symptoms you should never ignore. These are critical red flags that your heart may be in trouble, and spotting them early could save your life. So, make sure you watch until the end. You won't want to miss this vital information. 1. Chest pain or discomfort, the classic warning sign. Let's kick things off with chest pain or discomfort, one of the most common and serious symptoms of heart disease. When we think about heart problems, this is often the first symptom that comes to mind, and for good reason. What does chest pain feel like? Chest pain associated with heart disease isn't always the sharp, stabbing pain you might expect. Often it feels like pressure, tightness, or even a squeezing sensation. It may also radiate to other parts of your body, like your arms, neck, jaw, or back. If you experience chest pain or discomfort, especially if it lasts for several minutes or comes and goes, don't ignore it. Sometimes, this pain is a precursor to a heart attack. And yes, heart attacks don't always come with dramatic symptoms. Some people experience very mild discomfort or vague sensations that they brush off. Quick tip: if the chest pain is combined with shortness of breath, dizziness, or nausea, get medical help immediately. You don't want to risk waiting too long. 2. Shortness of breath, a major red flag. Next up is shortness of breath. This one often gets overlooked, but it can be one of the most alarming signs that something's not right with your heart. Have you ever found yourself out of breath after walking up a flight of stairs, even though it didn't used to be a problem? Or perhaps you've noticed that you're getting winded just from basic activities like dressing or carrying groceries? This sudden or unexplained shortness of breath could signal heart failure or other serious cardiovascular conditions. What's happening is that your heart isn't pumping blood efficiently, so your body's tissues and organs, including the lungs, aren't getting enough oxygen. Why it matters: when your heart isn't working properly, it can affect your ability to breathe comfortably. It might be a subtle sign at first, but if it becomes more frequent or severe, it's time to see a doctor. Quick tip: if shortness of breath occurs at rest or gets worse while lying down, don't wait. Seek medical help as soon as possible. This could be a sign of a heart attack or heart failure in the making. 3. Unexplained fatigue, the silent heart killer. Now, let's talk about fatigue. You might think, I'm just tired because I've been working hard or not getting enough sleep. And while that's a common explanation, unexplained fatigue could also be a sign that something's wrong with your heart. Fatigue related to heart disease is different from the usual tiredness we all experience from time to time. If you feel unusually exhausted, even after a full night's rest, or find yourself drained from activities that you normally could handle, it could indicate that your heart is struggling to pump blood efficiently. The reason for this is simple. When your heart isn't functioning at its best, it can't supply your body with the energy and oxygen it needs to perform daily tasks. As a result, you may feel constantly tired, weak, or even lightheaded. Why you shouldn't ignore it: if you're feeling tired all the time, especially when paired with other symptoms like chest pain or shortness of breath, it's time to talk to a healthcare provider. Don't chalk it up to just being overworked. It could be a sign of heart failure or an early warning for a more serious issue. Conclusion: wrapping up the importance of early detection. To wrap things up, remember that heart disease is a serious condition, but the good news is that if you catch it early, many heart issues are treatable or manageable. The 3 key symptoms you should never ignore are: 1. Chest pain or discomfort. 2. Shortness of breath. 3. Unexplained fatigue. These could all be signs that your heart needs attention. If you notice any of these symptoms, don't hesitate. Seek medical attention immediately. The earlier you catch a problem, the better the chances are for a full recovery. Now, I want to hear from you. Have you ever experienced any of these symptoms, or do you have questions about heart disease? Drop a comment below, and let's chat. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon so you never miss out on important health tips. Remember, your heart is the most important muscle in your body, so take care of it. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video. Remember to consult with a healthcare provider if you have concerns about your heart health. Stay healthy and stay safe.